Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get skin diagnoses on Sephora. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Sephora account, which of course I've done right here. Now I'd like you to know that Sephora is a French multinational retailer of personal care and beauty products with nearly 340 brands, along with its own private label Sephora collection. Now this includes beauty products such as cosmetics, skincare, fragrance, nail color, beauty tools, body lotions, and hair care. So now that we know a bit of what Sephora is about, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to get skin diagnoses on Sephora. Now, for you to get a skin diagnosis on Sephora, it means you have to walk into the Sephora in-store for you to get this skin diagnosis. What does this imply? It implies that you need to book a reservation for you to, speak with any of the Sephora specialist, Sephora skin specialist. So here's how you can do that. So scroll the way down from this home page till you get here. Now, here you have these categories about Sephora, My Sephora, and you have help, you have region and language. So head over here to beauty advisor recommendations, which will also include your skin diagnosis if you want that. So click on beauty advisor recommendations. So as you can see, it's already stated that it's an in-store service and you have to book a reservation for it. The page is loading right up. That says, looks like you don't have any beauty advice recommendations yet, and says, treat yourself to a custom makeover, and product recommendations from your services will show up here. So you can book a reservation if you want to, and just let them know that you want to book a reservation for skin diagnosis. So here you have the Prom Beauty Services, and you have the Exclusive Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez. So these are, okay, so this makeup beauty lessons, full face, ultimate glam, lash application. So you have the skincare featuring hydrofacial. So you have waxing as well. So this is like skin treatment. You have waxing, and you have what to expect at the beauty studio. Arrival with a gift card redemption event you might like, and so go ahead and select what you want. So head over to the skincare option. Let's say pec face and lip treatment by hydrofacial, or pec lip treatment, pec face treatment. So you can choose any of them. It's like similar for 30 minutes to improve your skin glow and hydration with this. So you can choose any of these options. Let's say I'm going with pec face treatment. So here you go. So over you can choose a date and choose a location and time, and go ahead and click on continue to booking. And once you click on continue to booking, that's going to be it. Just go ahead and make payment and proceed to book. So that's it. So if you're not satisfied with this, you can just quickly head over to customer service, click on this customer service option, and just have a chat with the customer service agent. Let them know that you want to get skin diagnosis, and they're going to, sorry about that, they're going to put you through the process. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.